Hello, we're coming to you here from the Karolinum, which is the heart and soul of Charles University. And just around the corner, representatives of 6 universities, including this one, have been meeting since this morning to discuss the 4EU Plus Alliance. If you are not familiar with 4EU Plus, it is an alliance of 6 prestigious universities cooperating on a new integrated program providing new opportunities and greater mobility than ever for students, researchers, members of academia, and administration staff alike. Heidelberg University, Sorbonne University, the University of Milan, the University of Warsaw, the University of Copenhagen, and Charles University, of course, are all on board. Research universities with a long history recognizing the strength and necessity of close cooperation. I spoke about that with some of the vice rectors during their meeting in Prague as the Alliance awaits a decision on EC funding. It's clear regardless that this is a project that is going full steam ahead.
We decided to cooperate regardless the success of this call because there are many things we want to do together, that we want to promote research, joint research, also synergy between research and innovative education. We want also to learn from each other, to exchange staff or to pool our resources. And these grants are only to help us to go further.
It must be quite inspirational to be kind of at the helm of these kind of changes.
It is, and I love it. I am professor of European integration. So for me, it is interesting to watch European integration on the level of universities and to see that there are some comparisons, like between the European institutions and then member states, in our case, member universities.
4EU Plus is really strong because, first of all, we are strong universities with many students and already many interrelationships. We have already exchanges of students, exchanges of researchers, many common collaborations in research and education. So we are strong because we built this alliance on already established knowledge of each other. And that's why I'm very positive also, because we are different but we are similar.
We're all comprehensive research universities, so it's not that we really bring two different or complementary strengths. I think the strength is basically that we're fairly homogeneous. When you look at it, it's not something which came totally out of the blue. You know, Prague and Heidelberg have a long standing partnership. We're all old universities, so yeah, I mean that's and really very strong on research. When you look at all the stats, I mean it really shows. And also, what is interesting, you know, we have been working together before. When again you look at the stats, when you look at the number of papers that are published between our universities, really very strong showing.
How would you summarize the project at this point? Because obviously there's, and I'm thinking of the EC possibility of EC funding. There's different projects, I guess, on the table, different university alliances. How is this one different from some of the others that are out there?
Well, actually, we don't know who else is out there. There are 54 of them, and 9, I think, have not been eligible to submit a proposal. So we know of a couple of other consortia we're up against, but most of the others we don't know yet. And of course, you know, we are anxious to hear the results, the verdict, which is coming in the late of June. We hope that, of course, we will be among the ones chosen, and I think we have a fair chance.